Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and of course welcome back to Ton Trader. Today we will discuss one of the most important things in trading, which is candlesticks. Believe it or not, there are some traders out there that only trade based on the candlesticks types. Either they're 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours and maybe more. It can help you understand what will happen to the pricing in the very close, medium or distant future, or when to exit a specific trade or when to open a specific trade. That's why it is very important for you to master and understand how candles work. Now, let me show you a few strategies on the Ton Trader charts that can definitely help you understand how and when you can open a specific trade. See you on the charts. I'm gonna go with the Bitcoin. It's pretty easy, and the time frame I will go for 4 hours, maybe 1 hour, but the 4-hour one is a little bit more healthy. Let's not apply candlestick strategies on the 1 minute time frame. Let's not do that. 4 hours, yes. 1 hour, maybe. 30 minutes, a little bit of a stretch. Now I'm gonna show you something healthy. Give me just a second. This is the one I'm spotting right now. This is called the bullish candlestick. And it has, if I zoom in a little bit more, it has a price high, a closing over here because another one needs to move, right? This is the so-called the bullish candlestick body, the opening, and of course the price low. This signals a perfect bullish candlestick. Nonetheless, if the price of the market goes down, this is where the weekends get out. But look at the power. It opened at 82 something, 82K, 82.9K, right? And it moved over towards 93K for Bitcoin. This is pretty amazing, all because of this candle. Even though it dropped, it signaled a bullish tempo or a bullish trend. Now, this one over here, which is a perfect candle in my opinion. This is how a perfect candle should look like. This is called a bearish candlestick. It has the price high, the opening here. This is the bearish candlestick body, the closing, and look at the closing price low. And this signifies a bearish trend. And indeed, the price went down. We had some fluctuations, but it didn't move over. And as soon as this was signaled, the market crashed. Of course, it went up again eventually, but look at the gains. If a trader went here, opened the short trade at around 86K and closed the trade around 80K. That's amazing. So this is how candlestick work, and hopefully in the future I'll show you a little bit more. Until next time, Ton Traders, please be careful and keep an eye on me and keep an eye on Ton Trader for more interesting stuff. Take care.